Well, here's my Comic-Con box. Alright. And look, it says to do an upload video. Alright, here we go. And we got some cards in here. I got the Hello Kitty mummy figure, Funko. It's either a zombie, Frankenstein, or this one. A Walking Dead mystery mini. T-shirt. Running Dead T-shirt. The Zombies Walking Thread. Lucky Zombie Doll and trading card. Ooh. Planets vs. Zombies connects. Ooh. Assassin's Creed Lineage on Blu-ray. Interesting. The White Walker kitty cat. And this version of the Wolverine variant cover. Alright. So that's pretty much it. I guess we could see what's in the mystery mini. And which ones were zombies figure I got, huh? Alright. Getting there, guys, we're getting there. And I got this zombie. Cool. Alright, and then the Planets vs. Zombies connect. I got this thing. Alright. That's it.